guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss Fina. If you're new here, welcome to the squad. So today guys, on our menu I'm going to show you how to prepare these tasty and delicious sausages in the most simplest way. Kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned until the end. Boil their sausages first before they fry them, but today I'm going to show you a very simple way and they're going to turn out so delicious. So let's get started. I'm going to open my sausage. Before you handle any meat product, make sure your hands are clean and washed. Let's wait for them to defrost a little bit, then we get started. In the meantime, let's go and set our oil on heat. As I'm just going to tap dry my sausages with a serviette. Guys, I'm going to add my oil on my pan. I'm not waiting for my oil to heat up. I just wanted it to have a little bit of warmth. So I'm going to dip in my sausages. All the sausages are well covered with the oil, like they are well immersed in the oil. And then we are just going to slow cook them, to let them slow fry until they are well done. So guys, don't add your sausages into hot oil. No, you add in your sausages and then you reduce your heat to completely low and then give them time to cook. So guys, you keep on checking. You can see they are already cooking well. Just make sure they are well immersed in the oil, and then you don't have to boil your sausages before cooking, guys. If you want those crispy sausages and yummy and delicious and well fried. See, my sausages are already browning here. I'm just going to give them a swirl. guys, this is how you generally prepare your sausages. You just give them time to cook as the oil heats up, and then in the process they just get well done. Kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. It has been your host, Miss Fina, on this sausages episode. You don't have to boil your sausages, guys. Our sausages are well done. Let us set them aside. Take a bite and show you how on the inside it looks well done. You can see that, guys. This is how you know your sausages are well done. This is how they look on the inside. That is it. This is a well done sausage, guys. Kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye for sure.